Our final competitor is Darja Miscenko. Darja is a final year PhD candidate in the discipline of Management and Organisations in the UWA Business School. Prior to starting her studies at UWA, Darja completed several years of PhD training at Maastricht University in the Netherlands. Darja has several publications on work identity and identification, as well as leader-member exchange. For her dissertation, Darja has conducted 3 empirical studies and is currently finalising a 4th one. Darja is also passionate about designing and delivering leadership development workshops for students and professionals. They're really good, I actually took one. Her thesis title is Leadership Development, an Identity-Based Perspective. Her 3MT title is Are You a Leader? Darja Miscenko.
I want you all to ask yourselves a question. Am I a leader? Chances are many of you heard a tiny voice in your head going no. About 3 years ago, I asked the same question to a group of graduate students in a leadership course I was tutoring. I was shocked to hear that many of these bright and ambitious young people said no. This is how an idea for my dissertation was born. So why does it matter if people do not perceive themselves as leaders? Or what I prefer to call it in my research, have a low identity as a leader. Here's why. Many of these young people will become future business, political, and not-for-profit managers. Research convincingly shows that because they lack an identity as a leader, they will struggle to take on a leadership role and do what leaders are expected to do: inspire, motivate, and guide. In fact, my own research suggests that leader identity is strongly related to leadership effectiveness. So I set out on my PhD journey trying to figure out how we can fix this. How can we help someone to overcome the doubts and convincingly say, yes, I am a leader? I took a large group of graduate students and put them through a 7-week-long leadership development program while asking to rate their identity and skills every week. What I find is this peculiar pattern of identity development, which I call a J-shape. Because what happens first, the participants actually become less secure about their identity. But in a few weeks' time, with leadership skills developing, they become more assertive of being a leader. In another study with grad students, I find similar results by showing that leadership training contributes positively to the change in leader identity and feeling of being able to fulfill a leadership role. Yet another study with actual experienced managers who occupy leadership positions already suggests similar results. This means that training and developing future and existing leaders will contribute significantly to their feeling of being a leader and eventually their effectiveness. But what happens after the training? Well, the bad news are they become less secure again. The good news? Those that kept practicing actually retained a sense of being a leader. So next time, when you doubt whether you're a leader, just remember, fake it till you make it. Practice your leadership whenever you can, be it in the training, at the workplace, or with your family and friends. So if anyone asks you again, are you a leader? Eventually, you will find yourself saying yes. Thank you.